Hey, play the objective.
The fuck train has no brakes.
Look.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh my.
Don't point to that. Michael, look.
The goddamn zombie apocalypse. What the fuck are you building?
Which trailer?
This one.
Oh god, it's half.
No, it's alright. Go. Come on.
Okay.
There's a door right around it.
No, it's closed.
Here, I'll go.
In here. Get the fuck in, let's go.
I saw two guys walking.
Get down.
Trees over there.
Get down. Get down. Watch that window, Michael. No, Michael. You watch this side.
Wait, are you gonna do that there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna die.
Get down. Glorious. Get back.
No. I saw. Sorry. Michael, there's a guy here.
Oh shit. Zombie? No, okay.
Wait, whoa.
Don't talk him.
What happened? Shit, what's that?
Get it down.
Where's Rick Grimes when you need him? No one got that joke here.
Yeah.
Alright.
We'll get out of here. This is not good.
No, this is a great really bad. I really need No, they can't get in. If they go here, then... I mean... Actually, you know what? I'm gonna Andrew's at a prime spot. There we go. Got it. I'm gonna die. Hey, does anybody have a claymore? Oh. I'll be reading mine right there. Oh, shit.
Here, pass me a pistol. Hey, just somebody pass me a pistol. Is it loaded clock?
Yes, load it. Oh no, I have to safety on. It's already loaded.
Okay.
Save your power.
I just need to clear corners.
What?
I need to clear corners of it.
Yeah.
So. Zombie. I think it's zombie on the corner. Oh shit.
And you're responsible for people running this way.
The game's gonna end without us.
Alright. Our only weakness is this door.
Michael's got it covered.
No, but if someone opens it, I'm the first to die. I'm fogging.
You're fine.
Is that a zombie?
Don't move up. You move up and hit your face, okay?
I'm actually really scared.
You can. Watch that window, Michael. I think that's good. Watch that window. Okay. Can you watch it? Oh shit, it's a big spot. I can watch both of these, but I can't watch that window at the same time.
Oh, fuck, hey!
Oh my god.
That's good. That means he's on our side.
He's dead. Outside. Michael. Are you not
You a zombie? I can't tell if these guys are zombies if they don't make
Let's clear out.
No, stay.
Alright, we're good.
Good job.
Go ahead.
You have a girlfriend?
I'll cover 6.
He doesn't have a mic. He doesn't have a mic, guys. I don't have a mic.
Get ready to plunge.
This is the type. Oh, it needs to take.
Cover 6.
Ooh. Ready? Ready? Clear? Oh shit! What's in there?
Oh no, that's people's stuff.
That's a gun.
Yeah.
No, take it. Put it back.
Wait, watch the mag.
I got it.
Whose stuff is in here? Somebody's stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, close it.
Identify yourself. I'm a detective.
Hey, there's a stash of guns in here.
Yeah,
We got a body in here.
Body.
You can check them.
Back up. Get
You
out.
can check them and see.
Hey, detective in there.
Detectives, watch these guys.
Hold on, I just want to see if.
No, back up.
I just want to see
How many people are in there?
That's your stuff?
Yeah.
Why'd you put it in there?
This guy was laughing at
My God.
All right, all black.
Wait, is that?
I'm sorry for your loss. Alright, let's do this. No, get on. Get on.
Are you serious?
I am. I don't know if I can carry you. Shit. Already?
Let's go on in, shall we?
Wanna go?
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, guy up there. Maybe. That's a raft. Never mind. Oh shit. Who are they? I don't know if they're. That side. I'm fogging already. What the hell? Shit. Oh, fuck me, I'm fogging.
Hey, right there.
Okay, pull it up a little bit, over your mouth. Over your mouth. So that they don't like totally screw you.
Alright, Benji, good way to die. Hey, if you look right over this corner, there's a dude that's kind of pinning me down. You want to like 1, 2, 3 him? See him?
This other guy's there. Oh shit, hit. Oh my, oh my. Trigger happy assholes. Nice, yeah. One second. My goggles are fogging. All right. Left side? Oh, they're curved. Oh, pick!
Ten seconds? Yeah.
Oh, this one's shooting us. Okay.
Yeah. He's gonna get a nasty surprise.
All right, we're good. Sit down. Wow, that went flying fast.
There's a guy in the house.
hit.
Hey, there's a guy in the corner right there. Hey, we got a guy to the right. Hey, we got
Oh, sorry. All right there. Just around that hill. Ooh. Oh shit. Hey. You can keep shooting? You're fucking blind?
Boring, dude.
It kinda is.
Too much pinned down.
I stick my hand up, I'm dead. You keep shooting me.
Yeah. Then walking back to the spawn and they keep lighting me up like.
You want to walk it?
Yeah. Two knives.
Hey, wait, there's a sniper back there.
Just finish it off.
So you don't have any. Right there.
Fire somewhere.
Yeah.
Paint.
On me?
Yeah.
How bad?
Watch it, that's all.
Forward.
1 minute, Airsoft! 1 minute!
There. Watch it! We should get. Huh. I don't know. The wind is screwing everything.
Doesn't help the top.
Hey, you want to charge? You want to charge? You want to charge? Hey, you guys want to charge? We got 30 seconds.
I can rush my knife.
Go. Hit. Hit. Holy shit. Hey, Nick. Where are we going?
Make a push to the out.
Cover me.
Alright, there's a guy over there.
Shit. Graham. Let's go. Set in. Cover me? Up there, right? Cover, objectives? Hey, Brandon, on the corner, okay? Hey, I got him.
What's this thing in the
Watch it! I can get up there.
Wait, there's a guy coming around.
Cover me, okay?
Eldred, right in front of you. Hey, good job, Eldred.
Hey, can you cover me? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Clear.
Run it back?
Yep.
And you have to come back here if I die?
No, you just drop it wherever you get hit at.
They don't know I'm up here.
Keep dropping the log.
I'm not gonna grab her now.
I'm just keeping down because of Jason.
Oh my. Cover me!
You gotta make it to that house actually.
Yeah, go through the window? Yeah. I don't know, it was...
Or maybe go that way.
It should be...
Go behind, go that way. Because the only way out is that doorway there. The one with the train stopper and that.
Well, that went through...
Unless you jump over the fence.
No. I came through that way, so... I have people that way. Alright. Clear? I know it's not. Oh shit. I'm not hitting, Mike.
No.
That's a ricochet, a lot of them.
Yeah, a lot of them are really quick. A lot of them are.
Is that an enemy? Hey, I'm here. Watch it. Cover me. Let's go. Let's go to the log. Come on. Go. I got the log. Let's go.
Yeah, take it back to your one.
Hey, go for it.
Where are they?
On the right. Shit. Watch it.
Not on the left.
Watch it.
Watch right.
Yeah, I can't move with behind you.
Let's go.
Oh, damn it. This riot shield. Not good.
You get down.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Are you orange tape? Neither are we. Just throw it down the road.
Can't throw it down? Alright, guys. Come through. Go. Get it. Raina, go. Head. Who the fuck is hitting me?
Right here.
Raina, get it. Go there. Go through the window. Go, Raina. Go through the... No, you guys are no tape. You guys are both no tape, you fucking idiots.
Where's the line?
Oh, it's over here.
I'm on your team, Brandon. Alright, we need to get the log out of here.
Okay, get it. Give me the log. I'll run it. I'm faster. Are you? Yeah. You sure? Yeah.
Hey, you guys just need to run down. You need to run down.
Come here.
Sorry, well.
See, I single-handedly halfway carried the game. Halfway. The other half was Rainer, who kind of got it.
apologize to Roger.
Why?
Shot him.
You shot everybody. You shot like half our team.
I didn't shoot half the team.
Yeah, you did.
Let that guy up with the log.
Yeah, that was me. I died.
No. Just running now. I shot him.
I don't know, man. You sure?
Yeah, I watched the BBs bounce off of him. And then
Sorry about that, Roger.
You know that entire skirmish at the end? You were also shooting at our own guys the entire time.
Yeah. You shot at half. He shot at least 2 of our guys.
Rainer was like over on the other side shooting back.
Brandon shot me.
No, nobody.
I know.
Nobody thinks about who they're shooting.
Communication.
No, it's nobody thinks. Watch for who you're shooting.
Yeah.
Well, Brandon shot me, so.
Yeah, those are our own guys.
Yeah, and that's Brandon's fault too. Then he's also not thinking it
He
through.
was shooting me. At the
Sorry.
end.
My
That
bad.
gun hurts like
Yeah.
That was a good sprint through, though.
Yeah, considering I like loafed around over there for a while.
Well,
Yeah, that's
because
Oh, fuck me.
the teams were saying are
I saw him right there. Right there.
Yeah, well, I have no gun. I have a freaking tomahawk. Someone has my gun.
Let's go. Hey, stop. Hold. He's right there. He's right there, left. Right there. See him? Right there.
I can't do much about it. There's a guy right here.
Yep, I see him.
Forward.
Come around.
Yeah, I know. There's a guy right there. He's coming.
Hang tight. I'm about to reload.
No, but there's a grouping of them here. If we get the one over here, they're all the way.
I need to fall back.
We might.
No, there's a bunch of them over here.
Guy over here still there?
A bunch to the left and the one to the right. Shit, we're gonna let him fall back. Wait. Game!
Alright, I gotta find my grenade.
Hey, who won?
This is the Alamo, guys.
Don't let them cross the border.
All right.
Crossing our borders. They're not taking our jobs. No. They can go to a gas station in their fucking country. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah! Freedom!
You hear the people singing the songs of angry men. It is the music of the people who will not be slaves again.
People, close enough.
Of your heart, of the drums, there is a life about to start.
I'm really edgy right now, guys. Hey,
Will you join in our
Mo's your primary target. None of them are worth anything. Mo is worth like 10 of us.
Beyond the barricade, is there a world you long to see? Then join in the fight that will give you the right to be free.
Yeah, what are you?
Surrender.
Commie, go away.
They all died in that war.
It wasn't really a war. It was a massacre.
It was a revolution, but the Jacobins all got killed because they were too radical.
We good? Go.
Go, get in there.
All right. Stand to. What's the riot shield? Cover right. I don't see him. Shit. One right. I don't know where.
Kids.
Don't push up. Defend the objective.
Where the objective? Remember the Alamo! Defend the McDonald!
Hit. Holy shit.
Ow! Fuck!
They're gonna try to surround us.
Lit up. How many spawns do we have? 5?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Hey. Be careful. One person, they're gonna surround us. They're gonna try to.
Might wanna go right.
it. Cover that side. Cover that side. That side. That side. That side. Hold them off. Marika. Hold them off! Pin! Holy shit! Ah, hit! Where's the objective? Where's the objective?
Where's the objective?
No. Where is the flag? Where's the flag plant?
It's on the mulch.
On the tower?
I don't know.
Okay.
I saw them moving down that side. So why was it?
I see him. Got him. Hit.